Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel that is Stylewish. I hope that you people are pretty fine and doing very well. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you very gorgeous pencil lace skirt designing ideas. I hope you will like these designs. So don't skip the video, watch till the end. These pencil skirts are very gorgeous as you can see, and if you are new at my channel, wanna see more pencil skirt or skirts designs or blouse designs or any kind of design like blouse designs with skirts and shoe designs, nail art designs, and different designing ideas, you can visit on my channel once. That I have shared many more designs on my channel, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and hit the like button for the new videos notification. If you like these skirts, lace skirts, hit the like button, and if you have any kind of demand, you can write your demand in the comment section related to designs. I'll make a video on your demand as soon as possible I can. These are the pencil skirts or different skirts, lace skirts I have shared. So now let me say to take care of yourself, friends. Bye bye.